Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for ADHD. Notion is a highly adaptable tool that can significantly help manage the unique challenges of ADHD. Its flexible nature allows you to customize your workspace to fit your specific needs, unlike rigid planners. By centralizing all your tasks, notes, and schedules in one place, Notion helps reduce the feeling of being scattered. Plus, its visual organization features, such as colorful tags and icons, make it easier to stay focused and cut through mental clutter. Effective task management is crucial, and Notion excels here. You can easily break down overwhelming projects into smaller, more achievable steps, making them less daunting. Use priority settings and due dates to clearly identify what needs your immediate attention, helping you stay on track. A dedicated brain dump area allows you to quickly jot down any thoughts or tasks that come to mind, ensuring nothing is forgotten. This system helps you maintain focus and celebrate small victories throughout your day. Notion acts as an all-in-one digital workspace, preventing your information from being spread across multiple apps and notebooks. You can consolidate all your notes, documents, and resources into one accessible hub. Linked databases allow you to connect related pieces of information seamlessly, creating a cohesive system. Furthermore, customizing your layouts with toggles and filters means you only see what is relevant at any given moment, significantly reducing visual and mental distractions for a more focused environment. Building consistent routines and tracking habits can be transformative for individuals with ADHD. Notion allows you to create engaging daily and weekly habit trackers, often with satisfying checkboxes that provide a small dopamine boost upon completion. You can establish structured morning and evening routines, helping to bring predictability to your day. With built-in reminders and calendar integrations, Notion ensures you stay informed about important activities and appointments, supporting your journey toward greater organization and productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.